How to use WhatsApp Web to scan your mobile to laptop. Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to connect WhatsApp on your phone to your laptop using WhatsApp Web. Let's get started. Open your web browser on your laptop and go to web.whatsapp.com. You'll see a QR code. On your phone, open WhatsApp, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Link Devices. Tap Link a device on your phone and scan the QR code on your laptop screen. Your chats will load on your laptop instantly, and that's it. Now you can use WhatsApp on your laptop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.